Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So here in this video we'll be looking at Dreamhost review as well as Dreamhost webmail review and the honest review so far about dream hosting and why you should host your website or mail or your VPS on Dreamhost. So before I proceed on reviewing a website, I used to check on Trustpilot to see more info about that particular business or company before I proceed on making a video review about that particular company. So, and I will be sharing my honest review about each company and if you should proceed and do business with them or not. So checking on Dreamhost on Trustpilot, so I was able to find over 2,000 review about Trustpilot, and so far the overall rating was 4.8, which is very good at least. So I believe a product or a service is good once you have at least 4.5. so that's my belief. So checking on the reviews that different people have dropped on Trustpilot about Dreamhost, so that is the reason why I'm trying to make this video for everyone who would like to do a business or partner with Dreamhost. So regardless of what you actually want to use them for, either to host your website, VPS or web email. So with that, reading through all this review would give you an idea if you should actually partner with Dreamhost or not. So checking on this particular review, I have used Dreamhost support many times, so I have found them to be very professional at all times. So they seem to have an attitude that they can't do enough. Okay, so every issue has been resolved in a timely manner. That's great. So same thing goes to this, that I had an issue with MX email setup for a domain being hosted on another platform. So Neo is customer service fix. Okay, Neo in customer service fixed my issue within moment and got me up and running. Dreamhost customer service team cannot be beat. So these two review make us and tell us that Dreamhost is very good. And checking on some other rating that are less than 5 stars, so let's check on that and see what they're actually saying about the platform. So this was dropped on the March 2022. So used to be great, terrible now, awful, horrible, almost as bad as ATT support. Support is pretty much non-existent, sorry. So you will be going in circle for hours. That's very bad, and their server are very slow, they are oversold, and performance is very poor. So these are the poor review that clients on Dreamhost have dropped about them so far. So but then, to my own view, I would believe that I would like to give them a trial to see if you can actually work together or not. So checking or moving on to Dreamhost. So this is dreamhost.com web page. So they have the WordPress feature, we have the hosting, they have the website if you want to build a website or build a custom website design. So they have a package for you here. So if you actually want to buy a domain, we'll be looking at that as well. So as well as web email and pro services that they listed on the platform, which are design service, marketing service, website management, web development service, custom web development, custom web design, and then SEO marketing, social media marketing as well. So these are the pro service if you don't know how to hire someone once you purchase this package here. So you can actually move on to any of these and then get or hire a professional from Dreamhost itself, so everything can be set up for you, so without any stress. So that's just about all the packages here on Dreamhost. So scrolling down to the web hosting with purpose. So they said we make sure your website is fast, secure, and always up, so your visitor and search engine trust you, guaranteed. So this is actually nice because almost every website owner don't want to get interrupted, and if they have a visitor to their website, they don't like to waste the time, or if their website is actually taking much time to load. So everyone don't like that. Even me myself, I don't like when my website takes so much time to load. So that will chase or send the viewers or the users away, so they will prefer going on another website. So checking on the package here, so they have the hosting that starts from $1.99 per month, as well as the web hosting $1.99 per month, and the .com domain name is very cheap as well. So I guess I checked on Namecheap yesterday, so it's about 8.00 or 8.20 thereabout. But then I guess they are actually doing a promo. When I checked yesterday, I'm talking about domain Namecheap, so they're offering lesser price. So I guess this Dream Hosting are also doing a promo, which is flash sales starting at 1.99. So maybe they can actually increase the price anytime soon, can't say. So that is just the price they're actually offering as at when I'm actually making this video. So scrolling down to the hosting flash sales, so the hosting is up to like 67% of your purchase, as well as the domain cost is 92% off per each domain you actually want to purchase on Dreamhost. So these are the steps they actually follow to get and make sure their business are up and running. So super easy to use, full feature, fast and reliable, 24/7 expert support. So once I click on here now, it will pop up and connect me to any customer support, and I will definitely lodge my complaint with them, and they'll get it fixed as soon as possible. So scrolling down to the most popular section on the platform, which is WordPress hosting, website hosting, and the VPS hosting. So like I said earlier, this hosting starts from 1.99 as well as this, but the VPS hosting starts from $10, which is quite cheap. So scrolling down to WordPress website builder, dedicated hosting, that's a custom hosting for yourself, and this is a cloud hosting, and you can see this is very cheap, as some other websites charge like 0.90, as I could remember, 0.90, 0.95 per hour. So this is quite cheap. Then scrolling down to the domain, if you actually want to choose a domain for your business, so you can choose any domain you want, then you proceed from then. So I'm trying to purchase a domain, so we'll see what's all about. Okay, so let's search for this domain if it's actually available. So we'll see the cost, price, and then okay. So like I said earlier, so this domain actually costs $7.99 if I actually want to purchase this domain, and there are some other domain as well. So the XYZ costs $0.99, and just any domain you actually want to choose, then you proceed from there and proceed to check out on the platform. So just depend on the kind of domain you actually want to purchase. So yeah, so some other tips on getting a great domain name, so you can follow the tips here. So what's the domain, how should you purchase a domain, and what are the factors you need to follow when you actually want to purchase a domain for your website. So you might actually go through that, and then before you choose on the domain you actually want to buy for your website. So these are the pro section if you want to hire a web developer, SEO marketer, brand and social media marketing as well. So that's most function and features I found so interesting on Dreamhost platform, as well as checking on the webmail. Guess the link is yeah, okay. So here if you want to proceed on webmail, so you can actually proceed on here. You click on this. So once you sign up on dreamhost.com here, so you proceed and log in with your details. So once you log in with your details, you'll be able to have full access to Dreamhost webmail. So from there you proceed and you'll be able to get everything done as you want. So this is all I have for you in this video, and this is my honest review about Dreamhost and the webmail as well. So if you have any question regarding this video, can you drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll still be reviewing other web hosting as well as other platform company and services as well. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.